They're very comfortable talaga para. Good feedback yun. Galing daw. Ang sarap daw kape mo.
I used to get it a lot.
Samahan nyo ako guys. Kung wala kayong ginagawa pero kung busy kayo, huwag na kayong sumama. Pero kung hindi naman kayo, tara. Samahan nyo ako. For me personally, if I'm wearing shorts, I usually wear the All-Star. Kasi mas elevated. Ito jeans. I like to wear Superstar with jeans. How much is this? Now we're selling for 40. So this is the V-Bone slides. You have an option to put the charms. And they're very comfortable. If you're familiar with Yeezy slides, they're more comfortable than Yeezy slides. So this is a limited release. That's why it comes with a special box and comes with the charms. Kasi yung normal release comes with a regular box and it doesn't have the charms. What's your size, mga boss? Para you can fit your size. You can experience what I'm telling you na comfortable siya. Ito rin boss, if you want to...
Uy, kasha. It's kind of tight though.
Baka 44 ka nga boss. Ito ba ito? You can try the slides also. This is size 44 pero yes, it fits 11.
Uy.
Yeah, they're very comfortable talaga para. You want to do a pre-order for 44?
It's because I'm gonna leave now. I'm gonna go to the States.
Ah, okay.
I don't live here. Okay. I'm just visiting.
That's why.
I used to
With the accent. With the Brandon pala.
I used to live here, but
Ah.
I moved
Okay. Saan sa US boss?
to San Francisco.
San Francisco.
It's been a while since I've been here, so I didn't know that you guys were here, and it's cool.
We can ship naman to the US. The problem lang is the shipping cost.
Yeah.
Sayang. I'm not sure if that works for you, if you have thinner socks or... Kasi sabi mo medyo tight eh.
Yeah, a little bit.
Don't have a 44, but tell you what, here's what I can do. We have some supplies of folding boots. So, we have some 44. I'm just not sure. Hindi ko kabisado yung yung mga on-hand. Pa-contact naman kay, May. So,
Wow, that's good.
galing.
Yeah, there is something.
Yeah, it's in the beans.
Where do you get your beans from?
The beans, ngayon, anong gamit mo? Saan?
Ito is from Vietnam.
Vietnam.
Pag naubos to, yung Ethiopian na from Africa.
Thank you. It's really good.
Really? Thank you, thanks. Good feedback yun. Galing daw. Ang sarap daw kape mo.
This might be the best.
I used to get it a lot.
Best coffee ever tasted. Galing.
I'll message you on Instagram.
Alright, sige bro.
Okay, nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you. See you later, hopefully. Yeah, okay. I'll send you lang ng brother. Thank you bro.
Thank you. It's really good.
So yun guys, mga friends natin, sila Brandon. It looks like they're gonna come back. Depends on whether pinadali natin. Abangan nyo guys kung mabibentahan natin sila ng mga size 44 na golden goose kasi yung hinahanap. Medyo mas kasi yun. Ano nangyari?
Wala pa.
Wala pa ba?
May may order nito.
Ay, yung Sakura na na-delay mo.
Ah, Sakura.
Kasi nag-ano ma'am, nagtag-ulan. So yung mga Sakura sa Japan, nag-ano na. Kape. Yung Sakura sa Japan na lang talaga. Kaya hindi natin nabutan.
Ayun na.
Ah, sa kanya pala, may mga pala.
Sa kanya.
Ikaw daw.
Wala akong mapapala.
Kape na lang. Siyang kape.
Matcha ba gusto mo, Kevin? Tatlong matcha lang.
Tatlong matcha.
Ang mga wish mo nagkakatotoo dito, Mais and Margiela na dito this is really Mais and Margiela. So,
Okay.
Pag nag-wish ako,
hindi ko alam. Pag wala akong magawa, I buy stupid things eh.
Oh, ganda. Wow.
Look. You wanna play with it?
Mag-wish na tapos.
Mag-wish tayo dito, tapos mangyayari yun. Sana dumating na yung si Ma'am Jen.
Oh,
A few moments later.
So there,
Yeah.
good fit. I'll fix this one for you too.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I really like this one.
Actually, maganda siya. We'll put your Nikes in the box na lang.
Kasha ba?
I'll give you a big paper bag, bro.
Okay.
Sherry, wait lang mga Ma'am Sherry.
sige lang. Ay, titingin ako pala sa kabila.
Yan, sige. Yan ang gusto ko, ayan na.
May papala.
Sige ma'am, go.
And then my friend is coming here as well.
For the shirt, right?
Yeah, he wants to try it one before.
Sige.
Thank you, bro.
Ganda. Bagay sa'yo, bro. Personality mo. Actually, better than the green one kan. Bagay mo.
Yeah, I think I really like this one. Hindi na, ano pa bumili?
I'm wearing it, brother.
I'm not gonna take it off now, bro. I sleep when I shower.
Bro, yung ano fit dito sa ano? Ay, sige. Oy, yung barista natin napagod no. All day yan, nitinim na ng mga coffee, oh. Hindi mo rin kasi yung paggawa mo ng coffee, bro.
Dapat kasi yung ano na eh, copy mo siya eh.
Dapat lang more soap na.
Okay, yun siya.
Yeah. Don't relate siya yung mga alam sa mga ano eh.
Okay.
He's the one who went through SCA, Specialty Coffee Association. So, yan siya sa mga ganyan. Ako wala, I'm just a drinker.
That's like the Rolex of like
Yeah.
espresso.
Okay. Masikip,
No,
boss.
no.
Sayang.
You didn't show us, bro.
Please, mag-diet ka na lang.
Oh yeah, he wanted to buy that.
Ayun, sila.
May discount kapag cash.
Oh, go. Yeah.
Oh, ano bro?
Sige bro, are you sure? Okay lang. We're not asking for a discount but I'll give it anyway Kasi I know hindi naman talaga masyadong galing yung fit better siya. So, I'll give it 13,000 na lang. Hindi pa naman. Panunugi. For that one, the best I can do is, to be honest, my cost is 8,500. So I have 2,000 profit margin. Give me at least 1,000. So I'll give 95, 95.
Yes!
Quick. So
I should just work here too.
Okay. Medyo na ubos yung English ko nga. So magtatagalog na ako ngayon. What? Hindi nila nabili kanina pero bumalik sila ngayon at enjoy the coffee. Sobrang galing ng marketing strategy dito sa Purisima. Pag nagpa-copy ka, wala na. Iisipin mo na agad yan no? Ang galing ng coffee kasi ni Carly, masarap kasi. So they went
Yung
back.
aftertaste bro is golden goose.
Ayun na, tutuloy no? Ayun, so yun, napabalik, hindi nila natiis. Napabalik sila sa kape but they needed the reason to come back. Ginawa na lang yung rason yung pagbili. Pero yung kape talaga yung pakay nila no? So we sold Golden Goose Ball Star size 44 for 40,000 pesos. Then we sold the Golden Goose shirt size XL, the Golden Club. We sold that for 30,000 pesos. And we sold 2C, yung bagong dating natin na cup. Dating lang nun, isang araw lang nagtagal dito. So, nabenta namin for 9,500 pesos.